guys, just a quick little video for you today. It's all about positivity, about taking care of yourself, making amends, wiping the slate clean. I think it's always good to do that. If you look behind me, I still got my my electric heat disabled, and it's supposed to get really cold here. Like I said, it's all about having fun with life, with HVAC, with everything. I won't bore you too much, but please stay till the end of the video on this. I think I got some good points. Yeah, I did clean myself up a little bit. Hey, not doing too bad for 47, huh? And you might see me do some push-ups later. That's going to be a big part of my plan going forward, is to get in really good shape and enjoy life. Because when you look good, you feel good, you enjoy life better. So enjoy the video. Hey, happy Saturday, guys. Saturday, February 1st of this lovely year so far of 2025. I think it has been anyway. So, where's winter around here? I don't know where winter is. I mean, I was able to roll my sleeves up on my sweatshirt today. Something ain't right. It's supposed to be cold here in the Pacific Northwest, and it is not. So, what was I going to talk about today? I'm not going to bore you too much, but, you know, let's start off with this. So, Mr. Ted Cook, he sent me a message. I believe it was last night, possibly. I didn't check the timestamp on it, and he said these fake names are not his. There's been some that are Fred Crook. Other ones, there's been like probably 20 of them. So somebody out there obviously needs to get a life, doesn't have a life, and has nothing better to do than to try to prank comments on a YouTube channel, which is fine. You know, there's 8 billion people in this world now, so you know, you're going to get a certain percentage that have no life and have nothing better to do than to do stuff like that, which is, I mean, hey, do whatever you want. I don't care. But, you know, it's kind of a reflection type post here today about life in general, what, you know, where we're going, what we're doing, you know, and what this channel is supposed to be about. You know, when I started this channel, I wanted to just do the daily HVAC stuff, which I think is probably the primary driver of a channel of this nature. But also, you know, it's also about getting to know other people in HVAC, and, you know, expanding your circle of people in the industry, people that you can contact. You know, you make friends. Things of that nature, and that's really what I want it to be. I don't want it to be a pissing match like some of this stuff turns into, you know, fighting with other people, and you know, and I have blocked people off the channel just because, you know, if you don't have, you know, I think it's my grandparents told me, if you don't have anything nice to say, then you shouldn't say it at all, and I'm guilty of it myself. So let's start fresh here. I always try to preach positivity in my life, and I think that everybody wants that. I don't think well, I guess some people just feed off of drama, but I'm not that type of person. I do not want drama in my life. I just want to live my life happily, you know, enjoy my family, friends, acquaintances, you know, people in the HVAC industry, and have fun with it. So, and that's what I try to do. So so what I'm leading to with that is, you know, let's all work together. You know, if you got some criticism of something I'm doing, if you think I'm doing it wrong, I'm going to try to be more level-headed when it comes to that, and take your word to heart. I really will do that. But also understand, some of the stuff I post, it's not the full story, so you're not getting that. And I just want you to know that, you know, a YouTube, just kind of like fantasy world, kind of. I'm trying to keep it real, but it can't be 100% real because you're not with me 24 hours a day. It's these short little videos, right? 10 minutes, 15 minutes, snippets of my day, whatever it may be. So moving forward, I'm just going to try to keep putting out the videos. If I can help anybody in any way, that's what this has always been about. You know, somebody that maybe has a gap in their HVAC knowledge or life in general, because I've been through the ringer in my life, and I can give you advice on lots of things. I'm not the smartest, I'm not the best or the brightest, but I think that my life experiences can help other people out if they are going through something, and I'm happy to do that. You know, when you put yourself out there in front of potentially millions and millions of people, you know, I think you should have that attitude. So anyway, in closing, sorry Ted Cook, no animosity here on my end whatsoever. Let's start fresh. You know, if you got something to say about any of my videos or anything, I'll try to look at it diplomatically. I'll try not to let my temper get the best of me. And then also, moving forward, you know, I want this to be more than just HVAC, about life in general, about personal health too. So I'm going to start probably doing some workout stuff too. And I might just start another channel for that. But, you know, as we get to my age, 47, I'll be 48 this year, you know, keeping yourself healthy is very important. And, you know, we don't retain our bodies the way we used to. You know, I used to pollute myself like crazy in my 20s, my 20s and 30s, especially my 20s, and I could recoup a lot quicker. Now I'm finding, I went out with the wife last night, and I didn't recoup very good today. I was kind of under a little bit. I actually had a couple cocktails to kind of get me back on plane. And that's not good to do that, you know. It's not really good to do that, to try to keep yourself feeling good. But you know, hey, it's Saturday, so. But I think minimizing that and pushing more towards physical fitness. I don't know if you saw, I saw my shorts where I was doing push-ups and stuff. But I try to keep myself, you know, in decent shape and strong, so I can perform all the tasks that HVAC needs me to perform. Which, you know, if you've been in HVAC for any amount of time, you know that that's necessary to keep yourself fit. So you don't see, I mean, you do see fat HVAC techs, but they have their limitations, and I don't want to have any. So all that being said, take care, everybody. God bless you. And hey, moving forward, I hope we can keep growing this channel. And I love everybody out there. Take care.